Hi everyone, today I will teach this shaky type animation in Fusion Page. First, we see what we will make today. First, you should to add background node. Then after one merge node here. Then after add one text connect or that. And then after write something like shake animation or animation. I will change font. Bold. Now you should do right click in here, then after followers, follower, then after you see here modifier. Delay will be 1, then after order will be auto to completely random. Then after here you see offset x and y. Right click here, then after modifier xy path. Then after here is x and y. Remove this both of ifm. Then after right click in a y position, modifier shake. Then you see minimum 0 and maximum 1. We need only little bit like this, and smoothness will be less. Then after automatically we see the shake animation in Fusion Page. If you want to increase more, then you can increase the minimum. No, minimum no, maximum increases. Then you can see. But I need only little bit. Then after I also want to shake with a X position. First I will open it, then X position, modifier shake, and minimum will be 0. Yeah, that's good, and maximum will be same like a y. Which type of video do you want to make, or you don't know how to animate like that? This you can comment in our description. I will make that to solution. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more video.